you guys, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm just filming this like soft glam makeup tutorial, and I thought I'm gonna do a separate video showing you how to apply the false lashes the beginner friendly way. I'm really not the lash person. If you follow my channel, you probably know that I rarely ever use false lashes because most of the time I'm just fine with my own lashes, but do love a lash look. So far I'm gonna do a quick video to show you how to easily and quick apply a false lashes, like super beginner friendly. I also got a new style by Winged Cosmetics. This one is in a smitten, so we're gonna use these today. These look very like natural, so I thought it's gonna be perfect for this look. So the secret is to apply the easily super quick false lashes is to use the like adhesive eyeliner. This one once again is by Winged Cosmetics. So this is like my secret. This is what I've been using to apply my lashes, because honestly guys, I'm not the lash person. I barely ever use false lashes because I find it very tricky to use a glue. You need to wait till it's like tacky or anything like this, and then this is just eyeliner. So what I do, I mean, you're gonna see it soon, I'll just go very close to my lashes. I'm also gonna brush my own lashes down so I don't get it stuck with this. First of all, I'm gonna measure quickly the lashes to my eye. So what I'm gonna do quickly, I'm gonna take the lash off, take it out, and just measure on my eye to see before I'm gonna apply the eyeliner and so on, to see if the size is good, if I need to trim or no. So it's like a just measuring it roughly. I think it's actually very good. Obviously it's not applied on, so don't go crazy. Just measuring the size. I think the size wise is like pure perfection. So I'm not gonna trim it at all. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. What I'm doing, step one, I'm gonna go with the adhesive eyeliner. This one is in a color black. This is what I've been using and doing all the time. I'm gonna use a handheld mirror because I need to see what I'm doing. I can't see myself in the screen. What I'm doing with this, I'm just going very close to lash line. I think you can buy the adhesive in like clear as well or other colors. So what I'm doing, I'm going very close to a lash line, just like with the eyeliner. So I already have eyeliner on, so I'm just going on the top of that with this so the lashes can stick on. Next thing what I do, I take a lash and I just line it up with the eyeliner. Just gonna brush my lashes down a bit, and then I'm gonna go with the mascara afterwards, just a tiny bit, just to like match the lashes. What I'm doing this, I'm taking it on the tweezers, and then I'm starting out the corner first, trying not to get any more lashes under. And then I'm just stretching it through the lash line. I'll quickly brush my lashes once again, so it's mixing in nicely with the falsies. And we will be done. So I'm gonna repeat the process on this side. Just gonna do exactly the same thing. Run with the eyeliner close to lash line. Gonna run the eyeliner on the actual lash. And we are done. Let me know if this was helpful, if I should do more super quick tutorials like this. Honestly guys, if you follow my channel, you know how much I'm not a lash person, and I truly struggle in the real life applying false lashes using the glue. So this is for me like a groundbreaker using the adhesive eyeliner, because I think it just makes the process so easy. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you'd like to see next up on my channel. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye! Have a fantastic day guys. Ciao!